Right folks, good afternoon. I've been asked if I'll do a review on the GoPro mounting system that I use on my my helmet, the Arai X4. So basically the system I'm using at the moment the GoPro Hero 9, and I usually have it mounted within the media mod. I looked at various options initially when I was contemplating mounting it on a new helmet, and I've seen a few vloggers on YouTube, people like The Bike Thing, Steve from The Bike Thing, and also Itchy Boots, and they both tend to use this system, which is the Pro Shot mounting plate, if you like. It's available from, well, the only people I've seen it available from at the moment is out in America, and costs about $32 and about $15 for shipping costs, so $48, $50 give or take. For it to land in the UK from the States. It's a very simple system. It seems to be one mount fits all type of helmets. There may or may not be some limitations in regards to the shape, etc. It's quite simply just a Velcro strip, like 3M dual lock type system that goes on the actual helmet down one side, and again obviously down the other side, and then that is matched up like male and female dual lock onto the actual Pro Shot plastic mount, which is hinged sort of there and there. I can't remember whether it comes with the actual bolt that goes through, but it certainly comes with the mounting attachment at the front of the helmet fastened onto the plate. So literally all you need to do is just carefully align the dual lock tape to the helmet, and then just firmly press on the actual plastic Pro Shot mount, and you are good to go. I've never taken it off since I've put it on. I can't see any reason why I would need to. It's absolutely as solid as a rock, and I can't fault it at all. So that's how I mount the camera, and the benefit I found from that, rather than having a mount system, especially the GoPro ones mounted on the side of the helmet, is it's quite discreet. So it gives you a very simple central perspective from the viewpoint of the rider, and also assists the viewer in watching the videos because the camera is obviously central. So that is that. So what I then do is, I'll just see if I can just show you, bear with me. The microphone system that I use on the helmet, it's nothing fancy. I think I got it off Amazon and it were about £3, something like that. So I've personally found you don't need to spend a fortune on a microphone system, and all I've done on this, and again this differs from helmet to helmet obviously, but here with regards to this cheek pad here, it just unclips at the front, pulls straight out, and I've just got the cable wound up behind that cheek pad, and then I literally just push the cheek pad back into place, and then that secures virtually all of the cable, all the surplus cable. So all I do is then with this cable, I'll feed it through a hollow, if I can just angle the camera so you can see that. I'll feed it through there where my finger's pointing, and then I'll just flip the helmet back over. So then you've got your cable coming up there. It's very discreet, so you can hardly see the cable at all. It doesn't interfere with anything. Comes up through there, camera's mounted on there, and when you're using the media mod, obviously I appreciate I haven't got a camera on there at the moment, that just plugs into the bottom right hand corner of your media mod of your GoPro Hero 9, and that gives you then near perfect audio. The only other thing that is worth mentioning is the dead cat. So the microphone itself, sometimes they are a bit poor because they do tend to attract all sorts of noise. So what I've found is just to use a dead cat, again, a couple of quid off Amazon, eBay, something like that. Stick your normal housing from your microphone inside there. I've glued mine in, won't ever come out I don't think, because obviously you've got vents at the front of the helmet. What I've done is I've made sure the vent at the front is closed on the exterior of the helmet. There's also, on this particular model, there's some levers here in order to open it, one either side. I've made sure they're closed, and then I've just used some dual lock, again the 3M stuff which I got off Amazon. So with that I've covered up any air vents which were visible, and between the male and female dual lock as well, I've just got the cable running. So the cable that's actually coming out of the actual mic here, it's sandwiched between the 2 layers of dual lock, and then it disappears obviously into the cushion and then comes back out here. And that is about it really. Very simple system and quite cheap, as I said. So like I said, you're looking about £3 give or take for the microphone, although obviously you can buy more expensive ones if you feel you need to do. Pro Shot mount, I'll put a link down below for that. That's as I said, available from what I've seen only in the States. $32 approximately for the mount, $15 approximately for postage to the UK. Downside of that is it does take quite a while to come. I think it took about 5, maybe 6 weeks for it to arrive and go through customs, but when I was tracking it, it was stuck in customs for quite a while, so that might vary. You might get yours delivered a lot quicker than I did. And that is about it really. If you have any questions, please leave a question down below. Is this video useful, helpful in any way, give me a thumbs up. And if you do like the other videos, I do like the travel videos, please consider subscribing. That'd be much appreciated. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, take care. Catch you later.